Now that you've seen everything up close and we've kind of gone slowly through it, let's just go ahead and do an entire process with a client from beginning to end. So I'm going to introduce the product to Miss Andrea. I'll size it, I'll weld it, I'll polish it, I'll ask for some referrals, and we'll go from there. So this will be very helpful for you just to give you some ideas and to let you know this might take some time. It's okay. So here we go. Hi, Andrea.
Hi.
Have you seen permanent jewelry before?
I have.
Yes, you have. You have a nice one already on your wrist.
I do.
Where did you get that from?
At a kiosk at a mall.
A kiosk in a mall? Now that's a cool idea. Well, I'm guessing you're here today because you would like something else.
Yes, I would.
Are you looking for another bracelet for a stack? You thinking an anklet, necklace?
I would like another bracelet to go with this one.
That's so awesome. Well, here is our selection that we have here at our pop-up booth today. Any of these think that match what you're looking for?
I think I want the one that's similar to mine, but just different color.
That would match your eyes so nicely.
Thank
That's
you.
a really good idea. So we can go ahead and get that one ready for you. Now, are you thinking you want it tighter, looser, about the same as that one?
Probably similar to this one, a little loose.
Okay. Are you wanting it above or below on your wrist?
I would say above.
Above that chain, so
Mhm.
right here closer to your hand?
Mhm.
All right, perfect. Now, since you've done this before, I'm sure you already know, but I'm probably going to be putting my hands on your skin. Is that okay?
That is totally fine.
Perfect. If you'll put your wrist up here, I want to get this chain. Put your hand down and put it around your wrist there. Now, really quickly, I'm going to grab a jump ring. This is rose gold. So I'm going to grab a rose gold jump ring. I'm going to open it up real quick. So do you come to this farmer's market every week, or what do you do?
Brand new.
Really?
Just checking it out.
Are you from the area?
I am. Not too far away.
You know, that's awesome. I live just down the road. We've been here for about 7 years. We raise goats. We have a nice little farm.
That's awesome.
Do you guys do anything fun like that too?
We have chickens.
I love chickens. Just love them. That's so fun. How many chickens do you have? Here, I'm gonna cut this.
Probably 8, 9, 10.
Oh, wow. Are you getting a lot of
bit
eggs?
more. Well, a few of them are chicks, so they're not laying yet.
Oh, gotcha. Is this your first time getting chicks, or have you been having
No,
chickens for
we've had
years?
them for years.
That's fun. That's super fun. How long have you had this first bracelet you have on?
I've had it for about 6 months almost.
Okay. No problems with it? Has it never snagged on anything?
Nope.
Never
it's
broken?
Been great.
Awesome. We'll make sure this second one you're getting is just as good. No breaks, no snags, no nothing. So I'm just getting it ready right here. Want to get it sized up properly, opening up my jump ring. Sorry if this takes just a second.
That's okay.
I want to open this up just a little bit more. I'm afraid my fingers aren't quite as delicate as my sister, who also does this. But I just think it's so fun. I love coming out to these fairs. I love talking to people. Okay, so you're thinking probably something like that then?
Yes.
So let me put this on. I'm going to squeeze this tight really quick so you can test how you like how it feels. All right, how's that feel? Too tight, just right? What you thinking?
Could I do it one link more loose?
Yeah.
Possible?
Yeah, I can make it one link more loose. What you'll notice on this chain is since there's a pattern, if I make it one link looser, then your pattern is going to be a little bit different right there. Are you bothered by that?
Nope.
Okay,
That's okay.
perfect. And we will go ahead and change it. You know, some people are super particular. They want it to match the pattern perfectly. So I always try to start off that way, and we need to make it looser we can. We'll open that jump ring back up. One link looser. Push this shut really quick for you. All right, how does that feel? Is that better?
Yes, much better.
Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna get this ready for the weld. Is this something, last time you got this, did you watch the weld? Did you just turn away? What did you do before?
I just looked away.
Would you like to watch it, or should you just want to turn away again?
Sure, I'll watch it.
All right. Well, we got some safety glasses here. So when we're ready, I'll have you put those on.
Okay.
Excuse me. These allergies, they just can't get me going sometimes. Just getting this ready here so it'll be quick and easy. All right, perfect. I've got a cute little leather patch here. There's no harm, there's no danger in this whatsoever. I just like to put a little leather patch underneath there. Just makes it a little bit easier, a little bit cleaner. All right. And I'm going to make sure I get my right link here.
Should I put these on?
Yes, please do. All right, I'll put mine on too. And I'm going to grab my stylus here. It got stuck right there. All right. Yeah, this should be pretty quick and easy, but try not to move or jerk as I'm doing this here. I'm actually going to do a second load real quick. I see better without the glasses on. Oh, perfect. Yep, that closed. I'm going to go ahead and polish up a little bit for you. That way it's nice and shiny. You can show all your friends.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Yep, that's nice and closed. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cut this off, this extra chain. Probably don't want all this extra chain hanging off together. All right. So before I let you move your wrist, let me just take a picture of that weld real quick to show you. I always like doing this, just help you see what the end result looks like up close. It's kind of cool. Oh. All right, look at that. So that's the link we welded right there.
Okay.
Turn this around so your friends can see too. So we welded that link right there. You can see if I zoom up there that that's welded all the way shut. Picture's a little bit blurry, I'm sorry, but so that's welded all the way shut. So that link is now solid metal.
Okay.
So it's not going to open back up. It should be good to go. So
that looks great. Thank you.
Everything feel good on there?
Yes, it does.
Awesome. Do you have any friends, family who want the same thing?
Well, I have a sister. When she visits, I bet would really like one.
Oh, where's she from?
She lives in Pennsylvania.
Now that's a hop, skip, and a jump away from Utah.
Yes, it is.
How often does she come out?
Once a year, maybe.
Oh, okay.
Not very often.
Well, when she comes back out, all the time we'll do matching chains for family members. We get charms on occasion. We can do charms. And if you ever find any charms on your own that you want welded on there, come on back.
That's a great idea.
We charge pretty cheap, so we're not too expensive. Or maybe we are too expensive. I don't know. But anyway, it looks really good. Here is my business card. Please come on back whenever you want. We keep getting new chain every week. So whenever you want anything else, let us know.
Okay, will do. Thank you.
Thank you for coming.